events like this are extremely helpful, just because meeting our peers, understanding all the industries, and understanding what's happening in general in this environment is helping us shape our solutions, our services, and utilize the current technologies to better meet our customer demands.
Innovation is about bringing ideas to life that create added value and are sustainable on the long run.
So for us as a product company, customer feedback and partner feedback are really important. Based on their feedback, we manage to change the product or add new features that they will actually use. So for us, we're always seeking customer and partner feedback for what our product does in real life.
I think the most important thing about innovation in today's world is the ability to stay open, which by definition means to be able to unlearn the things that you were used to and be open to new ideas, now more than ever, because the world is changing so fast, nobody can tell the future for sure. Not that we could in the past, but at least we had some directions. Now, we don't even have that. So innovation in today's world is the ability to have the mind of a child, but the memories and maturity of trained professionals with a lot of expertise.
I believe that the customer feedback is crucial. This in Stefanini Group and Cyber Smart Defense, it's a co-creation process basically where together with our clients we understand their pain points and together we find solutions.
Well, I think it's very important that you have events where you have different industries meeting, because often new innovations doesn't come from your own industry, it comes from adjacent industries, it comes from being inspired by companies that are doing whole different things that you're doing yourself. So looking into other types of companies, new kinds of business models, new kinds of operating models, it's just so important. And this is what these kind of events do. They give everyone an opportunity to deep dive into industries that they're not familiar with.